And here it is, guys, our £500 gaming PC. And what do you think? I think it's come out pretty sweet. Now take a look at that. I actually think it's quite, quite neat, quite good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, obviously. Obviously, for £500, we've had to kind of get one or two sort of used components and what have you, and had to kind of play around with things a little bit to just try and get into that £500 budget that we've set ourselves. But we've got a sweet PC here. The only thing maybe I'm not too happy with is that the graphics card is just very, very small, and this case is actually pretty big, if you see there. I mean, it does go quite deep there, lengthwise. So you there's a lot of empty space. That's the only thing I'm a little bit, it's okay. I mean, it still looks fine with everything, and the graphics card does take up like the full size of the motherboard, I guess. So, it doesn't look too bad. To me, I think it looks quite neat. I mean, the cable grommets and what have you, I do find those make everything look a lot neater there. And I think it's actually looking pretty damn decent. And hopefully we will actually go on and actually sell this for around about £600 or so on Facebook Marketplace, on our local Facebook Marketplace, or potentially we might even go to eBay. And obviously we're trying to get into that sort of around that Christmas time peak sort of area where hopefully prices will be pretty decent and the demand will be pretty decent. So we should be able to sell this fairly comfortably, I think. And I really do, like I say, I really do like the look of it. RTX 5060, 50 series graphics card for only £600 for a complete PC. I think that's pretty fair in my opinion. Seeing as this card costs about £230 on its own, that's a very fair price of £600, I think, personally. We've got a Ryzen 5 5600 with a nice CPU tower cooler with the whole RGB bling, with the two fans at the front and the RGB fan on our tower cooler. I think the only thing that kind of lets it down a little bit is the 16GB of DDR4 memory. But again, RAM prices are kind of through the roof at the moment, so I couldn't really afford the upgrade to 32GB. And I kind of think by the time we paid that extra money, it's not going to be worth it, because people aren't going to pay the extra money for 32GB, I don't think. So I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? I still think in 2025 or 2026, as we're almost there now, I still think you can just about get away with 16GB of RAM. But it is tight. It is really tight on that. And certainly if you are doing like a budget flip, I think you've got to stick with 16GB, because 32GB kits now are just through the roof. So you're talking 100 plus now, so 100 plus pounds, so it's just not worth it. And obviously our RTX 5060 there, pretty decent graphics card. And I am going to advertise this as a 1080p PC, 1080p high PC, because the 1080p high results, as you've seen just there in the benchmarks, are actually pretty damn good. And obviously I don't want people to kind of think this is a 1440p gaming PC, because some people will play like the latest games at 1440p, and then obviously with the 8GB of VRAM or video memory on our graphics card, that's going to really limit our 1440p performance. So I'm just going to advertise this as a 1080p gaming PC, and then obviously go from there. And I think we'll get comfortably £600. I'm pretty confident on that personally. I think it looks good enough. It's got the whole sort of flip PC look, as in it, with a nice mesh front there, and obviously, like I said, the RGB fans, and it's quite a modern case, and it all looks pretty damn decent. I'll show you the back as well. And we do have a 650 watt power supply as well from Corsair, so that's probably going to be pretty reliable. And if people do want to upgrade, there's a little bit of headroom there as well. So that's good as well. And I did actually buy that one from new even as well. And admittedly, it did cost me quite a bit, but I think it cost me about £45, I think it was, when I brought it new. But I mean, obviously that's a bit of a cost, but I do like getting new power supplies, mainly because I for the peace of mind's sake, I think it's better just to get a new power supply when you sell on a PC. I think it's just for peace of mind. It's better for me, and I think it's better for the person who's receiving it, that they know they're going to get a PC that's going to run for many years, and that's what I want. Obviously, I don't want things coming back to me, that's for sure, when I sell it. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below of my little PC, and you know, have you done any flips recently, or has that not really been successful for you guys? I don't know. I've not really been in this sort of PC flipping sort of thing for a while now, and I thought, seeing as I've got some spare parts, I'll put PC together, and I'll just try and sell it on and see if we can get a bit of money before the Christmas peak time sort of thing. But again, I'm not really bothered. I've got my full-time job, so there's no real reason to sell this or what have you. It's just a case of if someone wants it, then they can have it and they can enjoy it, can't they, guys? And it's just a bit of fun, really. So I'm not really bothered where I sell it or not or what have you. Or even if I give it away for a little bit, even if I give it away just for £500 and break even, I'm not really bothered. So yeah, it's just a bit of fun, really. I mean, I think personally for me, going forward, like I say, this channel is just a bit of fun, and I think I've just got to treat it as a bit of fun. My day job is where I make my money, and okay, yes, it is very, very boring, my day job, but it is solid money. It's good money. You know, it's decent money, and you know, it's consistent. It's every month. There's no up and downs, and it's consistent. You know where you are with a job where, you know, if you're going to flip PCs regularly, you could be all over the place. So I just don't like that. And I just like the consistency of a job and what have you. So I'll talk about it more in my sort of next video. I don't think I'll do many videos up in December, to be honest. I probably won't even do, I'll probably just do my Christmas meshes type one. And then that'll be it for the end of the year, I think.